Alright everybody, here we are back inside the Condoit. I want to show you a couple more things about the context menu before we move on to prepping for our EV readiness assessment. So the first thing I want to show you is that inside of any piece of equipment, you can tap on that piece of equipment. It's going to bring up the context menu, as we've said before. You can add breakers, you can connect this to other people's pieces of equipment. Adding equipment below, you can duplicate the equipment. But the thing that I want to show you first is notes. So we'll hit this notes button here. It's going to bring up our notes questionnaire. So first thing we'll do is add a note. This is a panel PP1, I believe. We'll say that what about if this is hot to the touch? So really what we want to do is just take notes as we go along. This, if you're an electrical contractor, eventually generates a punch list that allows you to kind of catalog work into the future. Just kind of knowing while we're out here, might as well get some detail about this equipment. We'll say the equipment is in service. It's a relatively, it's a medium risk level that we've cataloged here. And it's a maintenance issue. You can also tag this note, just a general note, a code violation, or an OSHA regulation thing. So what we're going to say is add note, and it's going to say this user, which is Ian Hoppy, on this time, at this date, said that there's a maintenance issue at panel PP1, and that it is hot to the touch. You can add as many notes about all the equipment as you might need to. And we feel like this is a pretty powerful feature inside the Condoit that allows you to just kind of catalog more than just a simple connection or voltage information about a piece of equipment, but actually get some context about that equipment as well. And it's always going to remain inside of the information that is panel PP1. So I'll stop there. We'll do pictures next.